Can we make Qunoot Nawazil on our own and in English?
Qunoot Nawazil is in the prayer, always stick to something which is basically from the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ. So we want, for example, our Imam, even if it's our Imam, when he makes Qunoot Nawazil, is to make it in the Arabic. Even most of the people behind him, they will say Ameen, they don't understand a word he's saying. But it has to be in the Arabic, was part of the Salah itself. Naam.
At home there is no Qunoot Nawazil. This is
Hunger?
at home there is no Qunoot Nawazil. It's a masjid Jama activity.
It's an Imam, but it could be any Imam, not just the Imam, because some of the scholars they say al-Madhab al-Hanbali, they say it's the Imam al-A'zam, that means the Khalifa, the king himself. But it's actually any Imam of the masjid can do it. No.
It's two